Is a contract enforceable if one party has no choice but to enter into it? A band of stranded sailors helps us explore that question in Post versus Jones. John Jones owned a whaling ship called the Richmond. After several years at sea, the Richmond had a nearly full cargo. While sailing through the Behring Straits, the Richmond ran aground on rocks near the shore. The area was remote and uninhabited. Summer was coming to an end, and the sea would soon freeze over with ice. The nearest port of safety was approximately 5,000 miles away. Several other ships were whaling in the same area at the same time. Those ships didn't yet have full cargoes. The Richmond's master offered to sell some of the Richmond's cargo to the masters of the other ships in exchange for the crew's passage home. The masters of the other ships agreed. They each purchased part of the Richmond's cargo via an auction and then transported both that cargo and the crew to safety. The masters of the other ships then proceeded to sell the cargo. Jones subsequently sued the owners of the other ships, including William Post, in district court. Jones asserted that the agreement to sell the Richmond's cargo wasn't a valid contract. Jones sought the cargo or its proceeds, subject to Post's right to recover freight and salvage. The district court found that the agreement was valid and entered judgment in Post's favor. The United States Circuit Court for the Southern District of New York reversed. That court held that the sale was void. Post was merely a salver who was entitled to retain a portion of the net sale proceeds. Post appealed to the United States Supreme Court. Among other things, he argued that the parties' agreement was valid and enforceable. Post further argued that if the agreement wasn't enforceable, he was entitled to a greater portion of the sale proceeds than the circuit court awarded him.